If you've been keeping an eye on Woodland Preserve by Kolter Home right here in my hometown of Parrish, Florida, and you know that they're building this amazing amenity center overlooking lakes and a pool and pickleball and fitness and all of that sort of thing, well, guess what? We're here today and we are getting a sneak peek of it. It's almost ready. It's not opening now for 2 more weeks. This is the month of January. It's like 70 degrees. It's gorgeous. And I wanted to give you a sneak peek of how beautiful this amenity center is. So if you're looking at Woodland Preserve by Kolter, you got to give me a call. Let's go in there and look at this great new amenity center. The clubhouse is about to open to the public and, of course, to the residents of Woodland Preserve by Kolter Homes, this 55 plus community. And today I asked for a sneak peek before anybody else gets in there. It's not quite done, but I wanted you to see it. And I picked up some of my buyers. Several of my buyers in this community have already moved in to their homes. And here's one of the great couples that I've worked with. They're from Connecticut. And so they rode with us over here because they hadn't seen it either. But I wanted to give you a sneak peek of this beautiful amenity center that's going to be in this community. Well, that is in this community now. Again, it's not quite open. It opens in a few days, but I wanted to get you in there sooner. And remember that this is built on a large acreage of wetlands and preserve lands. Look at this beautiful lake. It's not really a lake, it's a retention pond, but it is gorgeous and it's very large. And so you can see they've built the amenity center right beside it so that when you're here at the amenity center, this is the view that you get. Total quintessential Florida. Again, here's the front of the amenity center. It's very modern. I love the soft coastal look that they have to it, the wood tones that they've used in that beautiful ceiling architecture there. And of course, we're going to walk through the front doors and you're going to see, again, that it's not quite ready yet, but it is gorgeous. Look at that. Isn't that beautiful? So straight ahead is the pool. And if we go over here to the right, this is going to be the office for the full-time lifestyle director. They're going to plan all of the events for the community and help coordinate whatever clubs that the residents wants to have. These are the restrooms. I didn't follow her in because I'm not that way. And, ooh, yeah, an amenity closet. Okay, so now we're going to walk into the fitness room. Look at this fitness area and this state-of-the-art fitness equipment. Yeah, they're excited too. Again, they haven't seen this yet, so they came along with us to look at it. This is beautiful. Just see yourself working out here on this equipment. And if you are into yoga, you're into HIIT. I like HIIT workouts. I like aerobic workouts. They also have barre. There's going to be all kinds of fitness classes in this area over here. And then, of course, as we walk back through the large fitness area, aren't you glad they have fans in there? I don't know about you, but when I work out, I want it to be cold and I want it to be blowing on me. I want some wind on me. And of course, this is your view if you're on the treadmill. This is one of your views. Isn't that beautiful? The pool area, the cabana areas, and of course, the pickleball. And then what I really love about it too are they do have a good selection of free weights. I don't know about you, but strength training is so important. I have a lot of strength training in my weekly workouts. And then we are going to walk back out of this side where all of the fitness is and the restrooms are. And of course, we're going to go back out into the lobby. Look at this beautiful detail on the wall. There's going to be lounging areas and people can hang out there. Again, this is a 55 plus community. And now let's go into the open spaces. I saw a box with a ping pong table. This is where you can watch games together. They're going to plan, sporting events. And of course, there's billiards. Why wouldn't there be? And then areas where if people want to, meet for coffee, they want to come up here and work. There's going to be Wi-Fi, lots of lounging spaces here. There's also going to be the planned activities will take place in here. So whatever the events coordinator plans, and then the community can attend. Places for you to have, this is going to be a card room. So if you have organized games for cards and different things that people like to do, and I'm sure you can use those for any specialized events as well. And then over here, we're going to walk into what they call the catering kitchen. So if they plan events where they bring in caterers, the caterers can use this kitchen, to make sure everybody's well fed and there's drinks and stuff. But I would also say if I'm hanging out by the pool, I might want to put my lunch in that refrigerator. I guess you better label it so nobody takes it. And then this kind man, who is my husband, opened the door for me. Isn't this beautiful? If you notice, there is a lot of shade spaces, and you're going to want to be in the shade when it's really hot here. And look at this beautiful pool. On the far side there are 2 lap lanes. So if you enjoy getting your workout by swimming, that's always nice. Again, the entrance to the clubhouse and to the fitness areas. So lots of shaded areas. 8 pickleball courts. Yep, right up in there. And there's going to be bocce ball behind that. And I love this zero entry beach effect for getting into the pool. And of course, there's shallow areas and a little bit deeper. And you notice the cabanas too. So there's going to be plenty of places for shade by the pool and of course for sunning. And then this is the new entry that is finally finished. Look at this beautiful preserve area. This belongs to this community. So this cannot be built upon. Lots of beautiful nature there. This is going through the new gated area. They don't have the gates up quite yet, but they do have that gatehouse. And later on, if the residents want to hire someone to man that gate, then they certainly can. There's a beautiful entry sign. And again, more space that belongs to Woodland Preserve back there, another lake. You can fish back there. I certainly wouldn't kayak in it. There are gators. And then they made this beautiful roundabout. So if you're interested in this community, I really do encourage you to watch this video here that I made about the houses and all of the fees and that sort of thing. But you might want to get in here sooner rather than later. They have opened up more lots, so hit me up if you want to see more about this community.